Well, here we are on this lovely 1930s semi-detached property, and I'm going to have a go at getting to the bottom of a damp problem. I'll just show you inside. Well, here we are inside, and the problem is in this area. You can see the virgin media socket and damp all in this wall, blown the paint off. There's also a degree of ant infiltration entering the property, so we'll go outside and take a look. I think the culprit is here. There's a little hole here, so what I'm going to do is get a mix off. There's a few things otherwise. Air brick down here, you can see the weed growing. Remove that. Quite well blocked, so we'll let a bit of air enter the property, assuming I can unblock it. That was a bit stubborn. Excuse the noise, but we are next to a busy road. What I think's been happening is water's been running down this area, finding its way in through this hole, and then collecting in the bottom. I've inspected this behind this virgin media socket. I haven't found anything. If you look up, you'll be able to see it. These cables are attracting a bit of runoff water. It's providing a lovely little channel for the water to go down. So I'm going to be perhaps doing a bit of pointing in this area if I can find some holes. Well, I've just found one. In case any water's finding its way in there. I'll attempt to dig this out and see exactly what's behind it. It's always the same when a TV man comes and blasts the drill through. It's quite dry. We did have ant infiltration. This should verify. We have had a bit of dry weather, so I'll assume it's just dried out. It's been a bit more than a damp problem, it's actually been an ant problem. There's a cable there, pretty loose. What I'm going to do, get a mixer, clean this out further, get a mix of cement, repair this brick, and then put some silicone in the hole there before I start. And then when it sets, I'll re-silicone that area. Well, I've done a bit of cleaning. The silicone residue was quite hard to shift. Ended up using a wire brush to remove most of it. I wanted it nice and clean before doing the cement repair. As you can see, there's a good hole here. See, my screwdriver totally disappears in it. I think that is the likely cause of the damp problem. There's a failed TV aerial installation attempt or similar. So I've got a mini mix of cement, and I'm going to have a go at filling it in. Try and work plenty in them holes. So what I want to do is repair the brick. Press it well in. I can maybe just have a little smear of silicone in that area there. I'm just going to keep pushing it, let it accept what it likes. Try and strike it off smooth. Okay, we've finished off now. I'll put a bit of a false ledge in there just to make it look more like brick, just in case we decide to recolour this brick with something red. I'm not sure about that though. Finishing touch when this cement's dry will just be a tiny bit of silicone. I'll just withdraw the cable slightly this way and work some in. And hopefully the damp problem is cured. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.